Hi guys, in this session I am going to explain you slicing with negative numbers. Okay, I will start here. Mm, Minus 4 minus 2. Minus 4 is less than minus 2, so it will work. If we take a indices minus, it means that from the last to beginning it will indexed. So R is with the minus 1, E is with the minus 2. So here it is showing minus 4. Minus 4 means T. It start with T to E. Try to get a output. TH we got a output. It is not included E because it is excluded. So if it does not give any number in a second indices, what happens? Okay, this is the substring we got. It is started from minus 4 to minus 1. Okay, if we give a combination of negative to positive, what happens? Check it out. TH is the output. T is minus 4 to 13. It is a 13 is a positive indices. It is E. E is not included. TH is the substring. We got a output. We can use negative and positive indices simultaneously. Even you can purely give negative, even you give a purely positive indices, even you get a result. Any combination you get. So here is the one thumb rule is we have to understand first indices must be less than second indices. Okay, if the second indices exceeds the length of the string, what happens? Check it out. Okay, it will work. It is working. Even you go give 50, it will work. There is no restriction in slicing. Only in slicing, not in s- indexing or character array. It is only acceptable in slicing. Okay, don't give. Also, it will work. I will try to concatenate with other string. What happens? We will check it out. Okay, it is giving a output. This is all about negative numbers in slicing. See you in the next session.